This message regards a critical situation ongoing and requires your immediate attention. We regret to inform you that the Y2K bug, which we thought to have resolved but no. As a result, various critical systems and services are malfunctioning or completely shutting down and not rebooting. Planes have fallen from the sky and crashed below, trains have crashed or derailed, cars have stopped in place and others have crashed into others ones and caught fire. Computers and radio services have gone haywire and lost all regular functions and programming, radio services and have either shut down or imploded. To ensure your